Go get the bunny. Can you get Bunny? Go get him. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Can you get the bunny? Here he comes. He's coming to check you out. Oh, I scared him. Don't hurt him. There he is. Hey, Bunny. Moving like that's not going to get him over here. If you sit still, he'll come over. Hey. Go like this. See, he thinks we have something. Hi, Bunny. Hi, Bunny. Hey, little bunny, come here. Oops. Isn't he cute? Oh, bless you, Augustus. Okay. Oops. Sorry, Bunny. Now, he doesn't like it when you do that flapping thing. He doesn't like the flapping. Oh, sit still. He'll come. You sit still. Oops. Uh-oh. He caused a book avalanche. Mr. Bunny. Hey, Mr. Bunny. I don't have any food. You cleaning behind the radiator? I need to clean you better too. You're still dirty. What are you eating? What'd you find, huh? Come here. Come here, sweetie. Oh, big guy. Come here. Okay. Want to see the baby? Augustus. What are you destroying over here? What are you destroying? Oops. Uh-oh. Well, don't hit the bunny with that. Don't hit the bunny. Don't hit the bunny with that. There you go. Nice. Oh, no. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. Soft. You, nope. Up, 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 up. Oh, he had enough of that.